If you look at Mem sensors slightly more in detail, Mem sensors are manufactured using very large scale integrating technology. Which we call as VLSI. The advantage is this leads to manufacturing sensors in large quantity, and it reduces the cost of the sensors. Mem sensors are as cheap as $50 US. These sensors perform integration of mechanical and electrical functions. We all do agree that sensing operation requires a physical or a chemical phenomena to be converted into an electrical signal. This is useful for display, processing, transmission, or even let us say recording. Alternatively, these sensors can also be used as actuators in terms of control analogy. Actuators actually reverses this flow . It converts electric signal into a physical action or a chemical change in the system. Size of Mem sensors are very small, it is about 10⁻⁻⁶ meters, which are microns. It is interesting to note that mass production of these sensors may bring down the cost of these sensors. And enable their use in structural health monitoring very widely. All sensors are essentially wireless if they are to be categorized as smart sensors. So, they also possess capacity with data transmission based on radio frequency, that is called RF. Communication. Smart sensors have 4 features. 1. They have onboard central processing unit. They are very small in size. So, I should say compact to use, and they are wireless. So, no congestion due to wiring, and they have low cost if mass production is enabled. Now, since structural health monitoring using smart sensors are mostly automatic systems, the primary requirement of such system should be enable preventive maintenance, because the system is being maintained automatically without any physical warning. Therefore, there should be a caution of preventive maintenance when there is a likelihood the response exceeding the threshold value. The structural health monitoring using smart sensors involve a 5-level classification. It will first assess the response and determine whether the structure is damaged or not. If damaged, it further shall try to locate the damage. This is what we call damage localization. Based on the data observed or monitored, it will and it shall quantify the damage. That is how extent the damage has occurred and what would be the consequence of that. It shall also predict the future progress of damage and the remaining service life of the structure. Finally, it should recommend appropriate remedial measure or repair measures to restore both strength and functionality of the structure. So, structural health monitoring using smart sensors offer a complete solution for safety and healthy functionality of the structure. So, friends, in this lecture we learnt about the smart sensing, what are the requirements of smart sensors, what are the advantages of using smart sensors in SHM, what are the advantages of making the sensors wireless in comparison to wired sensor networking, and if an SHM has smart sensors, what would be the 5-stage process an SHM should address to offer a complete protection to the structure. We will continue with the discussion on smart sensors in the next lecture as well. Thank you very much and bye.